we have like 17 as the example. Oh, so it says unsupported operators and types for this class, int and string. So what does this mean? So if we check our code and we find that, all right, so this is int, right? So this should be int, and this should also be int, right? And this is int, and this is string. So we cannot use operator plus for int and strings. So how to fix this? So there are two common ways to fix this. We can add string here. We can add string here. And also string here. And a string here. So in that way, this is string, and all the variables in the print function are string. So we can use this plus function, plus operators. Let's see what if we run this program. So would this work? Oh, number of days is not defined. So do you mean number of days? So it's like we have table here, right? And here is, so it's a mistake here, right? And we save it and run it again. 17. Oh, this time it works, but there is a small mistake here. We should have a blank between these 2 and weeks and 3 and days. So how should we fix this? We can simply add a blank here and a blank here, and save it again and run it again. 17. So this time it is perfect, right? So and to fix this, we can also use the comma we have just introduced. Use the comma. Okay, so we replace it with comma. Comma. This is comma. This is comma. Okay. So would this work? No, since I forgot number of days here, right? So this time it should work. Let's run it and see what happens. Okay. Would this work? Number of days, 30. And it works this time. However, we find that here there is an unexpected blank. The same thing for here. So to fix this problem, which we need to know that this comma automatically added blank for you. So if you use comma, you don't need blank here. Okay? And we save this and run it again. 17. Works this time. Okay? So is that clear? So there may be many small mistakes we may involve when we develop an algorithm. But don't worry at all. Just follow the error message and debug them one by one, and then you will come up with a perfect program. So don't worry about it. So in the first step, you do not need to be that careful to write a program. What you need to do is to mark down your idea, to document down your idea, and then debug this program. So don't worry for the error message. It actually helps you. Okay, so this is our So this is our exercise 1. And then I want you guys to look at this exercise 2. Oh, so this is the answer. So this is pretty simpler than what we have done. So this is elegant, but not as that understandable as what we have done. So you can if you are the advanced guy and you can have more elegant code, but as a beginner, I suggest you writing down every steps so that you won't miss anything. Okay. So example B, future value. So I want you guys to write a program to calculate the future value of a savings account in 5 years. And the account currently has $1,000, and let the user set the annual interest rate and assume the interest is compounded annually. So here maybe we need a little bit of background knowledge about the future value and the present value. So let me do it here. So let's use this. So future value. Can you see this? We call this FV. And the present value. I think this should be covered in your financial management course. PV. And then we have our interest R, right? So this is the annual interest is R, and so your present value is your principal. So after 1 year, your present value becomes PV times plus PV times R, right? This is your principal, this is your interest, which equals PV 1 plus R, right? So this is the first year. And the same thing happens here. And in the second year, you should be PV 1 plus R plus PV, right? 1 plus R times R. Since this PV here becomes this, right? So we have this, which equals PV 1 plus R squared. And this is the second year. So we have this FV equals, so we can get a rule here. FV equals PV 1 plus R. And so the N is the number of year and this R is the interest. Okay, is that clear? So I want you guys to use this to develop an algorithm to calculate the future value. Okay? So 1,000 is PV, and I want you guys to calculate FV. Okay. You may have 5 minutes to finish this example.